Gosh, guys, look at all these birds. They're literally everywhere. Shut. Ben, shush. Okay, well, there's so many. Because, like, there's a lot of, like, things. Okay, Benjamin. Sorry, my brothers speak Afrikaans and they're so annoying sometimes. Whoa. There's so many. Okay, well, they were. You can't see it in the camera, but there's like so many. Look at the birds in the tree. Whoa, there's some more. Here they are. They're everywhere. You can't see it in the camera because if you live in Platte, you know there's like a lot of little birds. Look at that. Ooh, wow. Some people catch